With having 2 videos of over 200,000 views and over 1,000 LLC forms, I'm going to give you my top 3 questions about filing your LLC and how you can do this for free. First of all, there are 2 things you need to know. There's a link down below to file your LLC for free through Zen Business. They are my preferred company. Later in this video, I'm going to be telling you why. Also, there's a link down below for Rakuten. Rakuten will allow you to get up to $50 in cash back when filing through Zen Business, so you actually get money back when filing. Those 2 links will be down below. Let's get into the top 3 questions that people ask about filing your LLC. So this video is about the top questions that are asked about an LLC. Now, if you need help filing, I have a whole video that I will link down below that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to file your LLC, and you can follow me through the process and get filed with Zen Business. So number 1 is it really free? Yes. You can 100% file your LLC for free through Zen Business, my preferred LLC formation services. Later in this video, I'm going to talk about why it's beneficial to use a formation service like LLC versus going through your state. And then we're also going to talk about the fees that are associated with doing so. So, is it free? Yes. Do you have to pay something up front to file? Yes. There's no way around paying for your state fee. The state fee is a fee that your state charges in order to format your LLC. Most states are under $50, so this fee is not huge. But there are some states that are more expensive, like Alabama and New York, where their fee is $200. They're like the most expensive states, and I believe California. It's very simple to look up your state fee and how much it's going to cost you. This is where Rakuten comes into play. Rakuten gives you cash back. So if your state fee is $50, they give you up to $50. Say they give you $35, you're only getting your LLC for $15, right? $35, $40, yeah. $15. So that makes it a really great deal with getting the cash back. And again, I have my notes here because I don't want to give you guys any misinformation. Number 2, do you have to file with a service like Zen Business? No, you can go through your state and do it 100% yourself, but why I recommend going through formation services, because they save you on so many areas. There may be additional forms that you need to file your business. You may need a business license. You may need other licenses to perform your business, depending on what your business is in your state. Zen Business can help you with that without being lost or not having all the proper paperwork filed. Also, they send you reminders for upkeep on your LLC. You can't just file and that's that. There are other things that you have to maintain when having an LLC. Like for instance, as of January 1st of this year, there's a new requirement for small businesses and LLCs to report ownership information. And there's a form that you have to fill out. And yes, I got my email directly from Zen Business to let me know that I do have to fill out this additional form to keep my LLC in compliance. Now, will your state send you that email? They will not. Your state only sends you compliance when you owe them some money. That's when you'll hear from them. So Zen Business is a place that can give you that peace of mind to know that you are in compliance with your LLC, because you don't want to be out of compliance. Something happens and then you're out of luck. So that is a reason why I recommend using the formation service. Also, you may need additional forms when filing your LLC to make sure your business is in compliance. Some states, depending on what you're selling or what your business is, you may need a business license. Zen Business, when you go through the LLC process, they will let you know exactly what you need to file. If you need help filing, I have a whole video that takes you step by step on how to file your LLC. So that will be linked below as well. Watch this video and then you can go and follow that video step by step in order to file. And the last question that I get the most about filing your LLC is naming your LLC. Now, there are some tips that I have that are more on the lighter side of things and then more serious things that you need to know when naming your LLC. So the first thing on the lighter side of things is you don't want to outgrow your LLC name. If you're going to name your LLC Bob's Grass because you're going to be selling different types of grass seeds, and then in 2 years you're on a farmland and now you decide to sell fruits and vegetables, Bob's Grass is not going to work for your fruit and vegetable business. So you want to make a over-encompassing name that will allow you to grow and your LLC to grow with you. So maybe instead of Bob's Grass, you could put Bob's Blooming Business. So not only does grass bloom, but plants bloom and all that kind of stuff, so you won't outgrow your LLC name. Also, an example of this is Telfar. So Telfar is a company, it's like a clothing brand, clothing accessories brand, and they are really popular for their bags. But now they sell clothing, and they do like media services and things like that. And Telfar's LLC name is Really Right On LLC. So there's no way that they'll be able to outgrow that. It's not Telfar, where maybe in 5 years Telfar may start doing something different. Really Right On encompasses the whole company and it allows them to grow in every way, whichever way they want to grow. So that's a light tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to make sure the business domain name is available. So you don't want a .net, you don't want a .info, you don't want a whatever. You want a .com because that's what people trust. So you want to make sure before you go ahead and file your LLC to make sure that you can get your .com for your business. All my LLCs, even if I don't run my business under the LLC name, I own all the domain names. And it's just, you want to own that. You want to own that piece of intellectual property because it's like owning the lot in front of your house. It's like owning the grass in front of your house. It's like, if you don't own the grass, somebody can come and build the house right in front of yours. You want to own that domain name. I use places like GoDaddy to just, you can get the domain name for like $12, I think, like 10. If you never worked with them, I think you can get as low as $4.99, and then every year is $20 per year to maintain your LLC. When you're doing your LLC, domain name 1-in-1. Get that. I'll link it below. It's not sponsored or anything, but get your domain name. Now, on the more serious side of things is you need to make sure that the LLC name that you're creating or wanting is not trademarked. You can do a trademark search to ensure that you aren't violating another party's trademark, and you can do that at uspto.gov. That's where you can do your trademark search. It's super easy to do. Just pop in your LLC name and it'll allow you to see if there's a trademark out there for that name. So that just covers you on all fronts. You don't want to start a business, it blows up, and then someone's suing you because of whatever. You don't want that. And the last thing is, do not forget your EIN. You can get your EIN through Zen Business, or you can go to your state website, the government website, to get your EIN. Now, this is important because this is your business's social security number. It's your employer identification number, and you're going to use that EIN to get your business bank account, to get a DUNS number, whatever you need to do with your business, you are going to be using this number. So you want to make sure that you have your EIN. It's simple and it's free to apply for. So that is important, and it goes hand in hand when getting your LLC. So don't forget it. Woo! All right, guys, we have gone through the nitty gritty of everything you need to know about filing your LLC so that you can get your business up and running. Like I said, Zen Business is my preferred formation service because they make everything super easy. Also, you can get like a business bank account with them. You can file other documents with them if you need it. They also have like tax, education, and tons of different things. Check their website out. Rakuten, so you can get up to $50 back, so you can kind of offset any state fees that you have to pay. And remember the tips on how and why you should name your LLC certain things. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, link down below will be if you need help, step-by-step help, that I have a video on that. Use my links down below. I partner directly with Zen Business, so it is a place that I recommend, and they work with me directly. Like, they reached out to me and said, hey, we love what you're doing. We see how many people you're working with. Let's work together. So I 100% trust them, and I personally have all my LLCs through Zen Business, so definitely work with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this was helpful in getting you to that next step of starting your LLC. My name is Akira, and I'll see you in the next one.